To incorporate PSYCH-K into your life, you only need to take a basic workshop. 3-day workshop, very simple and very effective. In these 3 days, you're going to learn everything that you need to know so you can transform your life and somebody else's, those who are ready to become responsible for their own life. So how are these 3 days? During the first day, we're going to have a little bit of information of the science behind PSYCH-K and the differences between the brain and the mind and why beliefs are so important in our life and how we can help you with PSYCH-K rewrite those programs at the subconscious level of mind. But that's all the theory you need. After that, we're going to be doing all the time. So first, we need to know how to establish communication with your subconscious mind. That's where the programs are. After that, we're going to show you 2 very simple processes that you can do just by following very simple steps, 7 steps in one, 9 in the other. All you need to do is know how to read and how to count. Can you do that? I bet you can. So when you do that, then we're going to be able to follow these protocols to transform whatever it is you want to transform at the subconscious level of mind. Yet, you need to find out how to create the goal that you're going to tell the subconscious, this is where I want to go. PSYCH-K is not therapy, PSYCH-K is not a technique. We're going to give you a process so that you can empower yourself or those who are willing to come and do PSYCH-K with you, because you're going to be qualified to do this. So we're going to write the goals in a way that the subconscious mind understands what it is that you want, where do you want to go. And then we're going to find out if the subconscious has enough clarity or if we need to give it a little bit more clarity of how to get there, like kind of a map. After that, we will do something that I really enjoy in PSYCH-K, is how to transform the perception of stress, of anxiety, of those moments that have created maybe trauma or a phobia or so much fear that we carry in our lives. So we're going to use one of the processes to do that. And this can transform somebody's life just like that in a few minutes. After that, you're going to find out how you can do PSYCH-K with yourself without the need of somebody pushing on your arm or doing a muscle testing. We're going to show you how to do your own muscle test so that you can be the designer of your own life. And the 3rd day is a day where we're going to put everything together and you're going to be able to see how to do PSYCH-K on your daily life with yourself, with others. Very simple, how to conduct a PSYCH-K session. And then we're going to practice. And at the end of these 3 days, we're going to show you and share with you 2 very beautiful ways that PSYCH-K offers us to support human evolution. So if you feel that this is for you, come, join us. Follow your inner voice, your inner guidance, and that's a way that you're going to decide if a PSYCH-K workshop is for you. If so, we'll see you there.